How many SKUs do you have on your site, Mark?
Currently, we have about 40.
40. Okay.
Yep.
How do you do your segmentation of products? How do you do product segmentation?
So,
Like for example, when I say product segmentation, I basically mean, do you know which are your VIP products? Which products you should just retire from your store? Which products are your products which make you most money, most margin?
right. And so, yeah, so we have, and that's what we have our staples. And so our staples are, we primarily started off with a denim as a denim company. And so we've got the Marc, which is a slim fit. We've got the Nelson, which is a slim straight fit that are there constantly. And so the most margin that we get now that we're direct to consumer are those items there. Then we've got T-shirts that we do here in the United States also that are LA based that are year round also. And then we add in a few things to like apothecary that we don't do, or for instance, like Red Wing boots or another brand that the margin isn't that great, but it's got a name from another brand that's got, worldwide brand recognition that may potentially draw a customer to our site that wouldn't come to our site because they never heard of Marc Nelson Denim.
Mhm. Excellent, wonderful. Makes sense. That's a good thing to do. So, Mark, tell me something about your e-commerce business. What do you plan to do to? So you said you must do e-commerce, but you must do it right. How can you make your e-commerce business right?
Uh, because it's not something that I am fluent in, I'm going to have to get help, and currently I am interviewing or getting information from um, 4 marketing companies. Now, can I afford them? That's the deal. And then creating a budget for that. What I can do is from the creative side, make sure that all the photos that we shoot for our products are done right. And the descriptions of each product is, we give as much information on that. One of the other things is when we're redoing our e-commerce at this moment, how do I create the experience of my store and the personal touch through the e-commerce? And what we're doing is giving, like I said, creating a fit chart that will allow the client to then go, the Marc in a 32 is, the waist is this, the hips are this, the thigh, the leg opening is that, give as much information that, and then allowing the customer to return items that because a $200 pair of blue jeans is a huge purchase. And so buying that and not knowing the brand and never have tried that pair of jeans on is a huge commitment. So giving them the ability to return the item for free returns.
Excellent, wonderful. So